What if the strongest version of you is not someone you have to create, but someone who already exists within your mind, patiently waiting for you to recognize and become? Every great achievement begins with an inner picture long before it appears in the outside world. Many people spend years chasing confidence, believing it will arrive after success, recognition, or perfect circumstances. Yet the truth is far different. Confidence is not a reward that life hands to a lucky few. It is a decision to see yourself differently before the evidence appears. The moment you change the image you hold of yourself, you begin changing the direction of your entire life. The ideas inspired by Dr. Joseph Murphy remind us that the subconscious mind faithfully accepts the pictures and beliefs we repeatedly impress upon it. If you constantly imagine yourself as weak, uncertain, or incapable, your actions will naturally reflect that belief. But when you deliberately replace those mental images with a vision of strength, courage, and success, your subconscious begins guiding your thoughts and behaviors toward that new identity. This transformation does not happen because of magic. It happens because your mind always works to make your dominant beliefs feel real. Imagine waking up every morning already believing that you are capable of handling every challenge the day brings. Picture yourself walking into every room with quiet confidence, speaking with clarity, making decisions without fear, and remaining calm even when life becomes difficult. This future version of you is not a fantasy. It is a possibility that grows stronger every time you choose to think, speak, and act in alignment with it. Your current circumstances may tell one story, but your imagination has the power to write another. Every successful person was once an ordinary individual who dared to believe in a better identity before anyone else could see it. They refused to let temporary failures define their future. Instead, they focused on becoming the person who could naturally achieve the results they desired. The same opportunity exists for you today. Stop asking whether you are good enough and start asking whether your daily thoughts reflect the person you truly want to become. Every thought you repeat becomes a brick in the foundation of your future. Every positive expectation strengthens your belief. Every courageous action confirms the new identity you are building. Even the smallest step matters because it sends a powerful message to your subconscious that you are no longer living as your old self. You are becoming someone greater. You do not need permission to believe in your own potential, and you certainly do not need to wait for the world to validate your worth. The strongest version of you is already alive within your imagination. Your responsibility is to nurture that vision every single day until it becomes your natural way of thinking, living, and responding to life. The journey begins not with changing your world, but with changing the person you believe yourself to be. The process of becoming your future self begins with mastering your imagination because every lasting transformation starts on the inside before it becomes visible on the outside. Your subconscious mind cannot easily distinguish between an experience that is vividly imagined and one that is physically happening. This is why visualization has been practiced by high achievers, athletes, leaders, and performers for generations. Inspired by the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, you can intentionally use this natural ability to shape a stronger identity. Find a quiet place where you can relax without distractions. Close your eyes and breathe slowly until your mind becomes calm. Then create a detailed mental movie of yourself already living as the confident person you desire to become. See yourself standing tall with excellent posture. Hear yourself speaking with confidence and kindness. Imagine walking into meetings, conversations, and challenges with complete self-belief. Feel the satisfaction of solving problems with wisdom instead of fear. Experience the joy of knowing that you are capable, prepared, and worthy of success. The more vivid your imagination becomes, the more powerful the impression on your subconscious mind. Do not watch this scene as if you were looking at another person. Experience it through your own eyes. Feel every emotion as though it is happening now. This emotional connection is what gives your visualization its greatest strength. Your subconscious responds far more to feeling than to words alone. As you repeat this exercise every day, something remarkable begins to happen. Your inner dialogue gradually changes. The voice that once repeated fear and doubt begins to lose its influence. In its place grows a quiet certainty that says, I can handle this. I belong here. I am becoming stronger every day. These new thoughts begin influencing your decisions in everyday life. You become more willing to speak up when opportunities appear. You stop avoiding difficult conversations because your identity is no longer controlled by fear. You become more disciplined because your actions finally match the person you believe yourself to be. There will still be moments when uncertainty tries to return, but instead of accepting those feelings as permanent, you recognize them as temporary visitors. You return to your vision and remind yourself who you are becoming. Consistency is more important than perfection. A few minutes of focused visualization every day is far more effective than one long session followed by weeks of neglect. Just as a seed grows quietly beneath the soil before anyone sees the first green leaf, your new identity develops beneath the surface before the world notices any visible change. Trust that process. Continue planting empowering thoughts, confident emotions, and hopeful expectations into your subconscious. Refuse to feed old stories that no longer serve your future. Every repetition strengthens your belief, and every belief shapes your behavior. Eventually, the confident version you once imagined will no longer feel like your future self. It will become your present reality. Others may call it confidence, success, or personal growth, but you will know the truth. You simply became the person you had already chosen to be in your mind long before the results appeared in your life. As you continue this journey, remember that your greatest competition has never been another person. Your greatest challenge has always been becoming the person you were created to be. Every day offers a new opportunity to leave behind the habits, fears, and beliefs that once limited your potential. The remarkable truth is that lasting confidence is not built by pretending to be fearless. It is built by taking meaningful action even when fear is still present. Inspired by the timeless principles associated with Dr. Joseph Murphy, you can begin each day by reminding yourself that your subconscious mind is always listening to the thoughts you repeatedly entertain. Speak to yourself with encouragement instead of criticism. Replace "I can't" with "I am learning." Replace "I'm not ready" with "every experience prepares me for greater success." These simple changes may seem small at first, but they gradually reshape your identity from the inside out. As your identity changes, your choices naturally improve. You begin treating your health with greater respect because you see yourself as someone who deserves vitality. You manage your time more wisely because you believe your future is valuable. You become more patient with setbacks because you understand that every challenge carries a lesson that strengthens your character. Instead of allowing temporary disappointments to define your future, you use them as stepping stones toward greater wisdom and resilience. There will always be voices that encourage doubt, whether they come from other people or from your own past experiences. You do not have to accept those voices as the truth. The only voice that deserves your complete attention is the one that reminds you of your limitless potential. Continue visualizing the person you are becoming. Continue acting as though that stronger version of yourself is already leading your decisions. With every positive thought, every disciplined action, and every courageous choice, the gap between your present self and your future self becomes smaller. Eventually, there's no gap at all. You simply become the person you spent so much time imagining. That is the true power of identity-based transformation. It is not about pretending to be someone else. It is about uncovering the strength, wisdom, confidence, and determination that have always existed within you. Never underestimate the impact of consistent daily practice. A few moments of focused visualization, positive affirmation, and intentional action repeated over weeks and months can create extraordinary changes that once seemed impossible. One day you will look back and realize that the person who once doubted everything has become someone who inspires confidence in others. Your success will not happen because luck suddenly appeared. It will happen because you chose to transform your thinking before your circumstances changed. That decision will become the foundation for every future achievement. So begin today with complete faith in your ability to grow. Trust the vision you hold in your mind. Protect it from negativity, nourish it with belief, and strengthen it through consistent action. The strongest version of you is not waiting somewhere in the future. That person already exists within you. And today is the perfect day to let that extraordinary individual step forward into the life you were always meant to live. If you found this message valuable, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future motivational content.